Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor. Thank you for your interest in joining our free weekly live lessons. In this video, I will tell you what things you can do to have a better experience while taking our lessons, and I will answer some frequently asked questions. So let's begin. English only. This is obvious, but sometimes you might find the need to speak your own language. But remember that the class members there are there to learn English. That's very, very important. Okay. Make sure your phone is on silent mode to avoid extra noises and distractions. Ask questions. That's also very important. Don't be shy. If you don't feel comfortable asking questions, you can always use the private chat area to ask questions that you may have. Turn on your camera. We want to see your beautiful face, and that will also help us with communication. If possible, use your headphones to avoid crosstalk and so that you can listen well. Be kind. Obvious, but yeah. Be kind and patient with your fellow class members. If you're using a wireless connection, make sure you are as close as you can to the modem or router so that you can have a better connection. If possible, ask the people who you live with not to use heavy streaming apps like Netflix or Amazon, because these could interrupt your connection. Now we're going to look at some frequently asked questions. How long are the classes? The classes are 40 minutes, so make sure you come early so that you can benefit the most. Where are you located? We are in Toronto, Canada. How much are the lessons? The lessons are free. There is no cost to you, just your time, which is very valuable. Do you give private lessons? Yes, I do. Check out the description box below for more information. Can I tell my friends, co-workers, family members about your lessons? Sure, absolutely. Just make sure they join the class event so that they know if there are any changes, or if they have any questions, they can also ask directly. If you want more information, check out the description box below. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher Victor. Catch you later. Bye.